So this is one of the most innovative components of the system. It's called the twist clip, and what it is used for is fastening the decking boards down to the joist system. It comes in a box of 50. And it also comes with the screws, which is the C20 screw, and I'll talk to you about those a little bit later. So how the twist clip works is basically a cam lock clip. You place it into the channel and you rotate it around, and that actually locks it into place. So it can't twist any further, but it can rotate out like that. You've got your decking board here, you push your twist clip in, you slide it around, you slide it into the groove edge of the board. So you get your second decking board and you literally just push that in. So you can see now it gives you a perfect 6mm 1/4 inch gap. An attribute of composite decking, it wants to expand and contract, and so it wants to walk along the joist. This is where these screws come into it. So you just grab a screw, you'll notice that the clip has a hole in the middle of it. You insert a screw through the clip and you drill it into the decking board. Now what that does is it pins the decking board in this place. So this is the reason why you do not put these screws into every clip. You only want to put these screws through the clip and into the board where you want to control your expansion and contraction. So let's say, for example, it's a long decking board and you're wanting to control the expansion and contraction. So you're wanting to pin the board in the middle and you want it to expand and contract at that end and expand and contract at that end. So you will put screws through this clip on the two most center joists. Let's say that your board is, you're wanting to pin the board here and you're wanting all the expansion and contraction to happen down this end of the board. Then you would put your screw through this joist and then the adjoining joist over here. The second application for using these screws is to use this hole on the screw here, on the clip, sorry. So you can see that's how far the screw goes through. So you would use that in any application where you want to put the clip into the channel and you want to lock that clip in place so it can't move. So you would screw that screw through there. Now this could be in a vertical application or it could be in a horizontal application. Sometimes, depending on which composite brand you're using, when you're laying your boards down, they may start to creep out a little bit, you know, if they're long boards. So some installers will use the odd screw in the clip there just to lock that clip into place so the boards can't move, and they just use it as a way to kind of clamp your boards together, much like you would if you were going to put hardwood decking boards down and you're clamping them like this screw through the clip into the aluminium kind of serves the same purpose.